Hello out there, YouTube. Boy, I'm so excited on this video here. I gotta tell you, I've got what I hope will be one hell of a purchase as it pertains to my videos anyway. Here we go. That's right, the Blue Yeti Nano. Man, I'll tell you, I looked at microphones. I looked at the Blue Yeti Original, the Pro, the Snowball Ice. I looked at the Fifine, a couple of versions of that, and I decided on the Blue Yeti Nano. Got a really good reputation as long as you use them correctly. And I wanted something smaller than the Blue Yeti Original, so I went with the Nano. So anyway, I'm going to do an unboxing, get a couple of close-up shots of it, and then I'll follow it up with some audio. Right now I'm using a Yi 4K camera right now, and I'm using the built-in microphone. So what I'll do is I'll do some sound sampling between that built-in microphone that you're hearing me on currently against the Blue Yeti Nano sound quality. So hopefully there's a pretty good difference, because the sound in many, if not most, of my videos is just horrible. It sucks. So let me get this camera repositioned outward a little bit more. Get a little more of this Blue Yeti Nano in frame. Okay, so let's get down to it here. I've had this thing for a few days, and I'm telling you, it's been horrible making myself wait to open this thing up. But I've just had so much other stuff going on. And this is, just so you know, another video in a series I've got going here to, with equipment I've purchased to try and make my videos better, whether it be audio, video, or lighting. Because I've got some products here on standby that I'm waiting to do videos on, but I want to wait and do those once I get my lighting and my sound and all that crap squared away. So here's your save 20% when you register insert. So I'll check that out. Might be some other items I want. And this is the Blue Sherpa insert for the software. This microphone does use the Yeti Nano Sherpa software for adjustments. So I'll check that out. Actually, I've already got it installed. I've just not opened it yet. And of course, your owner's manual. So basic stuff. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's turn it this way. Super nice closed cell foam. It's really, really good packaging material. And look at how that thing's packaged, man. They did an awesome job packaging this thing. There's your adapter. If you have a boom arm you want to mount this thing on. It's got two sizes in there. I don't know what they are, but it appears to be two different sizes. So don't know that I'll be mounting that on a boom arm, but if I do, I've got the adapter. Okay, the USB cable. Now they went from a printer style USB cable. I guess that's, what is that, A to B or something? Anyway, on the previous models, now they've gone to the micro USB. And let's see, how long is this damn thing? Let's see what we've got. I looked online to see how long this damn cable was, because there's instances where I might want to move my microphone around. Alright, looks like this thing is about 6.5 feet long. So that's great. That's great. That's approximate, right? It's going to be somewhere between 6 and 6.5 feet long. I submitted a question to someone that did a unboxing of one of these and asked how long was the cable. They just replied back saying it was 5 feet, but it's well above 5 feet. So, man, I'll tell you, they really packaged this thing great. I'm super happy about that. So, there she is. Gosh. So these things come in 4 different colors. They come in the, this is called Vivid Blue. It comes also in Shadow Gray, Red Onyx, and Cubano, I think is what it is, or Cubano Gold. I don't know. Anyway, why did I get blue? Well, I got to be honest, the primary reason is because the blue was $20 cheaper. It was on sale on Amazon compared to the other colors. But, you know, it's called Blue Yeti, so blue microphone, right? But yeah, 20 bucks cheaper. I got it for 80 bucks. They were going for $100 for the other 3. So I figured, you know, who gives a damn about the color? So, you got to talk in the front of this thing. You know, some people, they'll talk into the top and can't half hear what they say, and they don't know what's going on. They blame the microphone, but you got to talk into the front, right? And let's see here what we got. Man, the craftsmanship is really nice on this. The color is really neat. It's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. But anyway, it's you got your button in the back here. That's how you change between cardioid and omni. Cardioid, that's when you need to talk into the front. Omni will pick up noise all around. So if you're in a noisy environment, you want it on cardioid, right? The knob in the front, it will function as a mute button and also volume. So on the bottom, let's see what we got here on the bottom. Of course, that's for your boom mount or arm mount, whatever. Your USB cable here and headphones, right? If you want to listen to what's going on there, you can plug your headphones right in there. Now, with the original Yeti, it was 16-bit, 44 kilohertz. With the Nano, it gets a bump, 24-bit, 48 kilohertz. Now, that's the same as the Blue Raspberry and the Yeti Pro. They both have the 24-bit, 48 kilohertz. So, yeah, there's that. I think this is going to work out great. I just hope I don't have to get down here and be like, hey, how's it going? Blah, blah, blah. I'm going to do some testing with this thing just to see how it does. But, I mean, the craftsmanship is super nice. Button feels good. You can tighten these knobs up. They've got little rubber indents. Actually, let's just take them off. What the hell, right? See? Here's one side. I think this thing will stay stationary. I'm just going to hang on to it, make sure, but it wants to flop around, but it will stay in the bracket. Boom, see? See, it's got these little rubber nipples, and as you tighten down these screws, it'll increase that tension. So you can move your mic around in the stand a little bit to position it how you want it. So for example, if I want it right there, you just tighten these down to increase the tension, and there you go. Now it takes more effort to push it around, where as before it was just kind of flopping around. And I'll tell you, the majority of the weight of this thing's in the damn stand. That thing is, it's got some weight to it, for sure. Alright, right there. So yeah, that is the Blue Yeti Nano, folks. We're going to do a sound comparison between my Blue Yeti Nano and the microphone embedded in my Yi 4K camera. Although there are many complexities relating to the transmission of sounds at the point of reception, for the ears an example, sound is readily dividable into two simple elements, pressure and time. These fundamental elements form the basis of all sound waves. They can be used to describe in absolute terms every sound we hear. So there you have it, folks, a comparison between the Blue Yeti Nano against the Yi 4K camera built-in microphone. What do you think? I personally think the Blue Yeti Nano sounds much cleaner, much more professional than the built-in microphone of the camera. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, take care.